reading during Form 5. Selalunya lah. So they maybe they have they get used with the T format. Okay. Okay, yang lain-lain, the others maybe like to use the I format. Okay, this is the I format. I think you have go through this. You have gone through this format kan? Betul kan? Okay, this is only your reading for your reading. Normally we just look at the account the format in the account format. Then you can get the gross profit, net profit, and retain. Okay, retain maybe today you will learn what is the retain profit. Okay, this is only I don't know. I don't want to explain this thing because this is only the format. Otherwise you have to to understand what is the A plus B minus C ni semua. Just use the format, then you can get dia punya answer. Okay, same as this one. Okay, now we go to the retained earning. Okay, today we will combine. You after tax, the net profit after dividend. After dividend, and then we also learn about the depreciation. Depreciation. So these three things will be learned today. Okay. Okay, we just go to the. I think I have okay. Any just go to this exercise. Okay, I have given you the exercise in the WhatsApp, right? Yes, in the WhatsApp. Okay, now we go. We do it together. Okay, give me 1 minute to set up my handphone. Okay, to print out this one senang sikit. Sekejap nak dia. Okay, macam mana nak tunjuk ni? Lupa lah nak print kejap saya print jap. Okay, start sharing. Itu ambil ya. Okay. Okay, this is the question. Start cukup. Okay. Okay, this is the question eh. Direct je buat benda ni. Okay. The table shows financial information of Regency Limited year ending this month. Arus. Depreciation for furniture is 10% per year. Accumulated depreciation. Okay, this one, you can see the name. Other than accumulated depreciation, maybe you can see the word is allocation. Depreciation, allocation of depreciation, ataupun maybe provision. So it is the same. If you see the name, these three name, it is the same. Okay, but the simple ataupun yang easier to understand is accumulated. Accumulated depreciation. Susut nilai terkumpul. Susut nilai terkumpul. Accumulated depreciation for furniture is 50,000. Okay. There is no depreciation for other fixed asset. Okay, this is only the statement. First is depreciation untuk furniture. And at the same time, there is no depreciation. Yeah? Sorry? Ada apa Okay, there is no depreciation for other fixed asset. So that means if you have any other fixed asset, there is no depreciation because maybe you have purchased the fixed asset maybe katakan this one is June this one is June, maybe you just buy at maybe June, katakan March ke April ke, so it is not for 1 year punya ni lah, tak cukup lagi 1 year punya purchase. Normally after 1 year then you can have the depreciation, barulah ada susut nilai dia. Kalau less than 1 year, so there is no depreciation. Okay, so here there is no depreciation for other fixed asset, only furniture je. Okay, the tax to be paid is 25%. Okay, tax dia 25%. The board of directors agreed to distribute 60% dividend to the shareholders for the financial year. Construct an income statement for Regency for the year ending sekian-sekian. And then determine the net profit after tax and retained earning. Okay. So now we go one by one. Create the account. Create the account. Okay, first of all, you have to know dia punya format. Okay, what is the format? Okay, I just show you the I statement. Yang ni easier. Okay, you have the income statement ending. So this one is 30th. Normally it is at end of the year, but now sajalah tu 30th June 2018. Okay, then you do apa macam satu garis ni. Okay, format. What is the format? Okay, first you have is sales. Okay, then, okay, just put the number. Then you have the cost of sales. Okay, what is cost of sale? Consists of, the first one is start stock, right? Okay, then you have purchase, and whatever you have purchased to for the apa ni the for your business lah, for your business. Okay, purchase, and then you get something here. Normally we call it as cost of goods sold. Okay, tak apa. No need to put. Kalau tak nanti you confuse dengan satu lagi. Okay, then you have minus with the end stock. Okay, then you get something here. Okay. Okay, then okay, ini boleh lah. Okay, we can apa ni settle it. Okay, what is the sales here? Okay, the sales of product is 1 5 0 0 0 0. Okay, what is the cost of sale? Okay, it is start stock. Your start stock is 40,000. And what is your purchase here is 160,000. Okay, then you get what? 100,000. This is cost of goods sold. Kita panggil cost barang untuk dijual, to be sold. Okay, then minus end stock. Okay, you consider the end stock, and you don't want to consider the end stock and for the cost of sale, because this is all for current, and for only for current ini. Okay, end stock is 30,000. So you will get, okay, okay, so this one is cost of sale. So you just bring to the right side. Okay, ingat yang ni okay, sales, oh sorry, sini sales, and then here you have to minus the cost of sales. So that means here what you get, you should put in the bracket, and 170,000. Okay. Sales minus, this is the cost of sales. Minus ini minus lain ini minus lain ni. Ini yang kat sini. Ini cost of sales ni. Tak tahu. Ataupun kat atas pun boleh. You put here or here, it is okay. Okay, now you just minus these two. Okay, you will get 1,330. Okay, and you will get this one. Okay, now you have to consider this one. Kita panggil apa ni? What we call this? In the T format, you consider sales and cost of sales. Then you get what? When you want to balance it, so you will get what? What do you call this one? Start with G.
Gross profit.
Okay, good. Gross profit. Muhammad. Okay, gross profit. Okay, this one, gross profit. Okay, then you consider, we call as income or revenue lah, other revenue, other income. Okay, this one, and also you have to minus apa tu? Apa nama dia? Expenditure ataupun overhead. Okay, expenditure and overhead. Okay, I also need to. I want to put balance sheet sekali. Okay, balance sheet normally we make it as T format. Kalau tak susah nak tengok dia punya balance. Okay, balance sheet as apa ayat dia, as at kan 30 years. Ni lama lah ni. 2018. Okay, what do we have here? What do we have here? Ni. Just categorize.
Fixed.
Okay, good. Fixed asset. Okay, then here, start with C.
Current.
Alright, current asset. Okay, now at the right side, what you call you? What you call this ni? This side? Okay, equity. Muhammad punya ni suara dia tak dia putus-putus. Okay, equity. And then we have what? Dekat sini.
Liability short term.
Okay, liability. Okay, we have two types of liability. For the first is short term. Okay, and then the second one is long term. Yes, Faizal. Long term. Okay, now kita pergi one by one Kita tengok. Okay, stock. Okay, normally I like to put apa ni earlier this one and stock sebab selalu saya terlupa yang ni. Saya letak dulu siap-siap. I put it earlier and stock. Okay, because and stock will appear twice. First in the income statement here, but it is minus. Okay, second one is in the current asset and stock twice. But I always forgot about this one. Okay, now I put it earlier and stock. Okay, for the end stock, it is 30,000. Okay, now start tinggal dulu yang ni yang statement yang additional statement ni just leave it. Okay, now go to this this statement in the table. Okay, stock. Okay, we have done this one. We have done this one. Okay, purchase have done. Sales have done. Have done. Okay, capital. Where should we put the capital?
Equity.
Alright, good. Capital here. Okay, capital it is 550,000. And also selalu here ada profit lah kan? It is maybe net profit ataupun profit after tax ataupun retained earning normally here Okay, just leave it. Okay, then long term loans. Where should we put long term loans? Pinjaman jangka panjang. Okay, Adriana, Adini, liability. Which part of liability? Long term. Okay, long term liability because the name is long term, right? Long term. So, long term. Okay, long term. Apa tadi? Loans. Tak boleh cakap kuat lah saya. Cakap kuat dia batuk. Okay, income from special services. Okay, this one is what? Income from special services. Where should I put? Okay, itu dah. Long term loans dah. Income from special service. The name is income. So that is the hint. Okay, Muhammad kata revenue. So I will go to this part income statement. Income statement, it is under income or revenue. Income from special services. Income Macam mana? 500,000. Okay. Then okay, then what? Machineries and equipment should put here, should put with category.
Fixed asset.
Okay, good. Fixed asset. Okay, so I will put here machineries and equipment. Okay, 73000. Okay, ni apa ni, be careful because under fixed asset normally we have the depreciation, but you have done, you have read this one. It is only for furniture. Yang lain there is no depreciation. It's okay. So that means machinery equipment is only this apa ni number lah. No need to minus something here. Okay, machineries and equipment done. Okay, ni pun done. Furniture. Which part? The furniture. Fixed asset. Okay, good. Faizul Nasir, furniture. So we will put here fixed asset, furniture. Okay, furniture 100,000. Ni letak sana kalau dah we know that there is no depreciation, normally we put dekat sini. Okay, furniture we will have something here tau. Okay, so just leave it after this. Then we will do something here. Okay, furniture 100,000 ringgit. Okay, rent paid. Sewa yang dibayar. What is it? Sewa yang dibayar. Rent paid. Expenditure. Okay, good. This is expenditure. Expenditure 300,000. Okay, apa tadi? Rent paid. Paid 300. Okay. Okay, what about general expenditure? Nama pun dah expenditure. So where should we put the general expenditure?
Expenditure.
Also in the expenditure. The name pun dah tahu kan, general expenditure. 100. Okay, general. Okay, done. Salaries and wages. It is overhead. And also, we call it as what category? Expenditure. Okay, good. Apa tadi? Salaries and wages. Wages 75. So, okay, ada lagi tak? Salary wages dan insurance paid. Insurance paid. Insurance yang dibayar. Is it income? Is it expenditure? Or maybe in this category? Okay, expenditure. Insurance paid. Insurance paid. 25. Okay, insurance paid dan okay, cash in bank ataupun saving. Cash in bank ataupun saving. Saving in bank lah. Okay, where should I put?
Current asset.
Okay, good. Current asset. Okay, here current asset, cash in bank. Cash in bank. 464700. Okay, receivable. Apa ni, someone owe you. Okay, or we call it as debtors. Penghutang, orang yang berhutang dengan kita. Is it asset or liability? Liability ni beban tau. Pak Is kata liability. Receivable, debtors. We have two, one is creditors, one is debtors. Creditors ni kita yang hutang dengan dia. Kalau debtors, orang yang berhutang dengan kita. So kita duduk dengan kaki tunggu orang tu bayar kat kita. So what is receivables? Ataupun kita panggil account receivables. Debtors, dia ada yang jawab dah. Okay, that is current asset. Receivables. Sebab dia kata nak terima dah duit tu kan. Ataupun debtors yang patut kita terima lah. 5300. Jangan buat kata saya. Tak menentu dia punya angka. Kita tak susun kan. Okay, then, okay, creditors. Okay, ni done. Cash in bank dah, receivable dah. Creditors.
Short
Tadi dah
term
sebut.
liability.
Okay, creditors. Long term or short term?
Short term.
Okay, short term. Short term. Creditors. Okay, and last one is overdraft. Overdraft. Overdraft is like creditors juga you have to pay very short time punya, very short term. We have to pay. Kalau otherwise you will you will be involved with the panggil apa, interest lah, high interest. Macam ahlong jugalah sebenarnya. Taklah lain. Okay, overdraft. Cepat. Ada yang tulis ke? Okay, terlepas pandang. Oh, okay, ada yang jawab Okay. Okay, short term liability overdraft. Ni dah buat slow betul ni Kalau tak faham, merisaukan lah. 20,000. Okay, now you have done tau. Orang kata half of the task. Half of the task for the account. You have done your balance sheet only to put dia punya here the net profit ataupun the profit lah. Profit here. And then you have to balance. And also you have to put something here for the depreciation. Dia kata depreciation is for the furniture. So you have to do something here. You have to process the number here. Okay, there is only two things. First is about the net profit ataupun return earning ke apa benda lah sini. About the profit. And also here, what is the depreciation involved. Okay, this is the balance sheet. Okay, for this part, yang income statement pula, here you have done this one well. Okay, no need to kacau dia, and no need to interrupt any numbers here. Okay, but here for the start from the gross profit ni downward ni. Okay, you have add income or revenue. You have the minus expenditure. Okay. here you can see. Saya tak rakam lah. Alah. Sekejap. Ada tak siapa-siapa yang rakam? Maybe you can share dia punya ni, record ke? Saya lupa lah, tak ada siapa ingat. Kita ada, I have two types of recording. First is by using the Webex. But in the Webex, when I record, it is very small. Tak tahu macam mana nak buat dia bigger. I don't know how to make it bigger. Okay, one more is by using the Redford. Redford is one apps ke apa lah, tak ingat. Yang ni, it can record my screen. Okay, but itulah dah lambat pula. Anyone ada ni, maybe you have record. I hope someone can record and then maybe you can share with me lah. Then I will put in the e-learning. I forget. Okay, tadi apa okay. Now, after you have done your income statement, still not complete yet because you have to consider the depreciation. Okay, depreciation will appear twice. Will appear twice. Okay, first in the income here. Income, expenditure. It is under expenditure. Okay. Depreciation ialah susut nilai. We will consider this one depreciation. We will consider this one as an expenditure tau, as expenses. Perbelanjaan. Itu memang syarat lah in the accounting. That is the condition in the accounting. Okay, depreciation for furniture is 10% per year. Okay, per year, 10% from the basic punya number tau. Okay, you look at the furniture here. It is 100,000. Okay. Dia punya ni furniture is 10%. So 10% of apa tadi? 100,000 100,000. Okay, what is the number here? What is the depreciation value? Alright. 10,000. Okay. So you put as 10,000 here. This is depreciation of furniture tau. Okay, this is depreciation of furniture. Susut nilai perabot. 10,000. Okay. Expenditure will be plus ataupun under sheet. Depreciation. Okay, here furniture. Normally, you also have the previous depreciation. Previous depreciation. You have to consider for this part. Okay. You look at dia punya nanti kat statement. Okay, ni minus. Okay, minus. Kita panggil tadi accumulated. Depreciation. Okay. Accumulated depreciation is, saya letak sini dia punya steps dalam kerja dia. Depreciation for furniture is 10%. Accumulated depreciation is already 50,000. Okay. Accumulated depreciation yang previous is 50,000. So that means accumulated dia sekarang dah jadi berapa? 50k plus dengan the current punya depreciation. So you have 10k tadi. So that means already 60k. This one minus So you will get the answer is 40,000. The value of furniture now is 40,000. That means for the current is 10%, 10,000. When it put 50,000, that means there have been 5 years and in the previous and at this one, so 6 years. Faham tak? Dah 6 years dah dia punya rabut ni. Umur dia dekat company. That's why dia ada accumulate. Every year will be depreciated. for 10,000. So 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Now, yang the accumulate is 50. Plus the current one is 10. So 60,000. This one, 60,000. So the value now, dia punya furniture value now is 40,000. That is dia punya terik ke apa yang kita panggil. Itulah benda yang selalu orang buat silap. Okay, so furniture minus accumulated. In the income statement, it is only put the depreciation for the current untuk nilai sekarang saja. Okay, it is 10,000. But in the fixed asset, campur dengan accumulated tu. Tu je dia punya tree. Yang lain tak ada tree pun. Okay. Settle yang ni. Okay, now tengok lagi. Okay, now go to the yang lain-lain. Yang ni kita tak selesai. We have not done this one. Done yet. Tak siap lagi ni. Not complete yet. Okay, now. Go one by one. Okay, after you get your gross profit 1330 ni. Now you have to consider, okay, income. Oh, okay. Income is only 500,000. Just bring to this part. Okay, 500,000. If you have any, so you just total up and then put at the right side. Macam tu je lah. Saya ni seorang tak payah lah. Kalau nak buat boleh. Ni masuk sini balik. Sama lah nilai dia. It is the same value. Okay. And then you can just add there and you total up, or maybe you can wait for this one. You can wait for this one. Okay. Let's say I just wait. Okay. Minus expenditure. How many expenditure now? You just total up the expenditure. Okay. 300,000 plus 100,000 plus 750. Okay. So the total is 1185,000. Okay, but this one is in the bracket because it is minus in the bracket. Okay, just kira semua ni. 1185. Okay, ni I terbalikkan 1185 minus. Okay, what we call this? Sini. Start with N and P. What you call it? Net profit. Okay, good. This one is net profit. Okay, net profit before tax. Okay, now we have to calculate for the tax and dividend. Okay, tax is 25%. Okay, after net profit, you have to consider the tax and minus tax. Minus tax. So tax is 25%. 25% from 64 yang ni lah. 645,000. Okay, you will get the answer. Must be in the bracket. So that means you have to deduct. So minus lah. Okay. So I minus. Saja ni terbalikkan dah. Faham? 483. I just want to see the difference here. Doesn't matter it is minus or apa. Just want to see the difference. 750. Okay, now minus lagi apa? Okay, this one is net profit after tax. Yeah. Net profit after tax. Okay, now minus dividend. Okay, this is the last part. Dividend have been agreed 60%. 60% from 483750 ni. Okay, so 483 ni times 0.6. Okay, it is in the bracket because minus 29025 0. Okay, so you will get plus 483750. Okay, settle. This one we call it as retained earning. Okay, retain earning. Okay, so you have complete your income statement. Start from yang ni, kalau T account we call it as track account kan. Okay, then yang bawah ni profit and loss. But if you use the I statement, it is only continuous. It is only continuous. Okay, start with sales. And then you minus cost of sales. Okay, what is the cost of sales punya element? This one. And then you minus these two, you get gross profit. And then you add the income, and whatever income here, just bring here, and then you add. And then whatever expenditure and the depreciation. And this one you have to process it. Yang lain you just take from the statement. This one you have to process. Okay, depreciation of furniture 10,000 here. So you will get this number, just minus. You get the answer. And then you have to consider the tax. You have to consider the dividend. Then this is the last part. And for the profit, we call it as retained earning. 19050. Okay, this number you will transfer to this part. Yeah, capital. So ini is profit. If you get the loss loss sebab dia rugi, so you have to minus. But this one is profit. So profit you just plus lah. Retain earning 193,500. Okay. So just plus, okay, sekarang ni 193,500 plus 550,000. Oh, kesian saya punya calculator nampak hitam Ini anak tingkatan 3 punya. Okay, you get 7,435. Yang calculator ya. Macam-macam. Okay, transfer lah yang ni nampak tak clear. Yes. Ini berapa? 7,435. Okay, tambah tu 50. Silap. Plus plus 50500. Okay, plus 20. 00 plus 456,000. Okay, you will get semua ni, and you get 27000. Ini kena balance lah Tengok sebelah ni pula. Okay, this one. Okay, yang ni plus this one, and yang ni sana. Pindahkan sini 40,000. Yang ni bring to the sebelah sini sikit So 40,000 ni dengan yang ni tak lawa saya punya account ni, patut kemas je kan. Tengok nombor saya sebab tangan ni besar. Dia susah sikit. Patut sama. Okay. So you will get 1, 2, 7, 0, 0. So you will get balance sheet. Balance lah. Balance. Okay, so what is the new here? What is the new here? The new here is yang ni, this part. Oh, tak nampak yang merah. Okay, then this part dan juga yang ni. This is the new one. Yang lain semua sama. Okay, and also here balance sheet. This is the new one. Dan yang ni nama lah. Yang dia punya istilah dia, terminologi. Yang lain semua the same. Okay. So any question maybe?
Doctor,
Yeah.
saya ada soalan. What happen if somehow dekat yang balance sheet tu, the total amount for the equity, liability short term dengan liability long term is higher than fixed asset dengan current asset. Itu maksudnya kita kira salah ke atau nak kena tambah apa?
Dia ada banyak sebab lah. Maknanya tak balance You mean tak balance? Okay. Maybe okay. In our part, in our syllabus, if it is not balanced, maybe you have done mistake here. You have done mistake in the income statement. Okay. In the real practice, if it is in the real practice, so normally they have to get the balance, and that's why you have the kita panggil journal. You have to keep all the receipts, all the evidence, and then you will transfer to account, and then that account you go to the finishing account. Ni kita panggil account penamat finishing account. Okay, if it is not balanced, selalunya normally in the company they will macam mana kita dia ada yang short term yang nak kena balancekan tu. Tak ingatlah saya pun kata 5 dulu. Masa form 5 tu. Dia ada cara dia jugalah untuk balancekan tu. Nanti dia cari balik the time tu to get the balance. But for our syllabus, if it is not balanced, that is maybe you have done the mistake, or maybe the evaluators ataupun the lecturer who set up the question maybe get wrong mana-mana dekat tempat ni. Nanti will announce the number tu lah to be corrected. Normally lah. Faham tak?
Faham.
Okay. So we have in the syllabus or in the real practice. Kalau syllabus normally we will get the balance. Mesti balance. Okay, when you are doing your exam, if you get balance, okay, maknanya selamat dah. But if you don't get the balance, better you check and you ask the lecturer, I do not get the balance. So the lecturer will check one by one. Takut dia yang buat mistake kan. Dia akan check one by one. If betul, if it is the mistake come from the lecturer, so the lecturer will announce something to be corrected. But if the lecturer said there is no mistake, so you have to check one by one tau. You have to check. Maybe dekat sini you have macam ni lah, tertinggal end stock lah. Maybe kat sini you have calculate wrongly. Mungkin dekat depreciation you put the accumulated lah here. Salah. Accumulated is only here and it is minus. Okay, for this one, expenditure is just put and then you just total up for the expenditure and then minus. Macam tu. You have to check one by one. Actually, financial statement for this question, normally the student will get 100% correct. Selalunya. Sebab tu kena buat dia elok-elok. You have to do it, the best one lah. Because if the cost accounting, kadang-kadang ada yang buat silap. Tapi for this one, you can see the balance sheet is, you get the balance. Dah, tutup dah. Okay dah. Faham? Ada question lagi? Oh, okay. Susah ke senang? I just want to ask you. Is it complicated or actually it is easy? Only to, orang kata apa, to get used with the format je. It is only the format. Aduh, apa lagi tricky dia? Apa dia? Bit complicated sebab banyak tu. Yelah. That's why I prefer you to make a format dulu. And what is the format macam ni kan? Ini format standard tau. Sales, cost of sale. What is the cost of sale? Start, top, purchase. Then you have to minus. Ni semua format ni. Just put the number and then you get the gross profit. And then add income. Just just blank here. Minus blank. And then fixed asset ni balance sheet. You create the balance sheet. Fixed asset, current asset, equity, liability, for short term and long term. And then you take the segment one by one. Yang ni selesai, yang ni semua just masuk nanti. And in your mind, you have to set. Maybe they have depreciation. Okay, so how to settle ataupun how to solve this problem for the depreciation ni. And also then you just proceed with the calculation here je lah untuk tax and dividend. Then put here dia punya number. Sebenarnya kat sini ada satu lagi kalau ada draw, withdraw. Ambilan ni kita panggil lah apa draw. Withdraw lah. Kat sini kalau ada lah. If there is withdraw. Minus So you have to put here. Then dapat pula satu benda kat sini. Kita take out some, maybe you take out from the sales ni selalunya bukan sales, stock. You take it from the stock apa for your own your own need, keperluan awak nak pakai dia. So withdraw ni kita panggil ambilan. Ni kalau ada lah, buat masa ni tak ada Normally for the small business lah selalu dia ambil kan, dia ni this is only macam kedai kecil ke apa kan, dia tu lah. Tak ada soalan? Okay, kalau if there is no question, I want you to okay, I will give you in the WhatsApp the question. Okay, look at the question, exercise for financial accounting tu. Not the basic punya, yang advanced tu Yang basic tu we have done kan before. That is the question. Basic ni. Yang ni, not basic one the ni, yang belakang. The advanced. Okay, you can print it out and then try. Settle. Ni. Srigelam is a company that supplies hospital equipment product. Okay. Okay, Srigelam is a company that supplies hospital equipment product. Table 4 shows statement in the company's account. Okay, you have stock. So this one is start stock and end stock, capital, bank purchases, general. So you can solve your problem either as what I have done previously, and that is you just category and this statement, and then you just transfer. Or maybe you can do like the yang baru ni tadi just now. You just make it make the category ke semua, and then baru transfer. Yang tu pun nampak easier. Okay, I will give you about 10 to 15 minutes to answer this one. Ada depreciation in machineries. And then total tax. Ini 60%. Baik. Okay, you can put the answer in the Jamboard. I have given the link, the same link with our answer for traditional approach and ABC approach. The same link. It is in the page 8. So you can put your answer and then check. Okay, good. Who answer for the income statement here?
Me, Dr. Ikhwan.
Ikhwan. Oh, okay, Hari Ikhwan. Okay, good. Only because I confused maybe because your punya apa ni line ni nampak macam T account, but it is not T account, it is I. Still I lah. So, okay, this is sales, then you start with the cost of sales more, then you put here. Maybe you use Excel ke?
Dr.
That's why you put in bracket because you cannot put it here, the bracket, because you want to see the equation
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, when you are in the test, you cannot use the Excel. Okay. You cannot use the Excel. You have to to calculate manually lah. So I only look at the format Okay, so 90,000. So you get this number. Okay, income revenue, there is no income revenue. So just leave it just dash ke apa. And then minus expenditure. Okay, look at this one And this one depreciation. This is depreciation only for machineries. This is only for machineries. If you have any others, maybe in here, maybe fixed asset is office equipment. So maybe there is also depreciation for the office equipment. So you have to put another depreciation here, or maybe you can accumulate. But I suggest you to split it. To split because we want to give you marks. If you you add both katakan office equipment and then you have the machineries pun ada depreciation, so we cannot see if you do the mistake, so takut hilang lah dia punya markah kat situ. Okay, so depreciation, then you consider the ini tax ni tax. And then you consider the tax, put the the word tax here. Okay, then you okay, dividend. Here you have the dividend. Okay, good. Okay, then you do the you create the balance sheet. Sorry. Okay, machineries. Either you can put the separately like this, but I prefer you to put sebelah aja. Just before the machineries ni. So you can see dia punya value from 130,000 become what? Kan? You 130,000 minus 39. So you can see the asset punya value for the machineries ni berapa tinggal sebenarnya. How many left? And then office equipment, okay. That's why you get still the same number. You get the correct number. Only because you want to see the punya ni je. What is the kesan dia, the effect to the machineries. Okay, then current asset, okay ni, very good. And stock ni, kalau tak tertinggal je. And then bank and debtors. Okay, here, equity, it's okay if you just proceed until the last one. But it is suggested to kira dulu kat sini. And then, barulah campur kat semua. And then you can add yang lain total. Okay, very good. Ni dua-dua Hairil Ikhwan
Ya, saya, Dr.
Okay, very good. Bagus Ikhwan. Okay, lalu kita. Okay. Ni siapa? Page 10. When I katakan I am the one who will memanglah ini ekonomi saya seorang je kan. Okay, will will correct your answer ni. I just look at this one. I look at the return ni. Okay, I kata okay, baguslah. Yang lain ni kita jeling ni, kita tengok jeling ni and stop tak tinggal macam tu. Okay, good. Macam ni kan. Ni tulis tax dividend macam tu. Okay, yang ni siapa ni? Who is? Ya?
Siapa?
Betul-betul lah kejap. Saya nak tengok nama. Oh, tak ada. Tak nampak nama. I cannot see the name. Maybe you can put your name here. Ataupun you want to ask me ke? I can see microphone from Zuhai tu macam dia on off tadi. Zuhai, you want to ask me something ke? Okay, good. Shall we? Zuhai, microphone got problem lah. Maybe you can write down in our chat. Kejap saya check. In our chat. Oh, ada problem kat mic. Oh, sekarang ni awak tulis. Okay. So maybe you can put in the chat ke? What you want to ask? You want to ask me or you want to ask your friend ke? Oh, tak ada soalan. Okay. Any yang lain? Mungkin ada soalan, ada yang confused ke? Is there anyone got confused? Maybe dia nak clarify. Macam, saya tak faham. Sekejap ke sini, sekejap. Ada tak? Actually, this is only half tau. After this, you have to use this number in order to see the performance of the company. Yang tu yang sebenarnya nak tengok. That is what you want to see. This is only in the process of to get the number je kan. But after this, you want to see the capability of the company in order to maybe to to get some loan ke, ataupun capability in banyak lah. It is more to the performance and capabilities of the company. This is only today yang ni je. But next class we will see dia punya next class pun still boleh kita combine dengan ada satu lagi. Okay, if there is no question, now I will give you the attendance. Okay, put question for today. Ni attendance. Mana soalan? Maybe you want to ask something in the income statement ke, balance sheet ke, apa benda ke? We have about 52 students tau. I'm not sure why in this class we just have 39 students come to the class online. Only 39 out of 52. Where is the others Tak ada soalan ke? Econ stands for Masuk Hairil macam mana? Masuk Ikhwan macam mana? Ataupun dia ada name ke? Accumulate depreciation ni. Stands for
Kira ni macam info yang diperlukan untuk cari depreciation.
Oh, info Macam tak sampai ayat dia kejap How to get the accumulate depreciation maksud dia? So you have what do you need to consider under the accumulate depreciation? Macam tu ke? Okay. So what you need to consider under apa tadi nama dia, accumulated depreciation depreciation. What apa kita panggil what apa what factor ke? What do you need je lah. What is the thing that you need to consider? It is about the current, it is about apa, macam tu tau. Dia punya value tu. What value? Okay, good. Oh, okay. Kau show way tulis. Tak nampak tadi. Ada name of, okay. Tak apa, what do you need to consider tu, it's okay lah. Okay, what is the, ada name accumulate depreciation. Because you can see, dia punya nama tadi ada lain kan. They use allocated, allocation, provision, provision tak jumpa lagi. Nanti Dr. Masni punya notes, you can see it is provision. But I think I have, maybe I have corrected some. Tapi mana yang terlepas pandang tu, maybe it is provision. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you can understand, and maybe for those who still do not understand, you can see your friends punya answer ni, study step by step, and then you can, I hope that you can understand. If there is still have questions, so you can ask, you can PM me. Alright. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi and salam sejahtera.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Doktor.